So this is demo of the Notebox editor, which was designed to enhance or replace the built-in Knob editor. You can start it by right-click and just open it up, and the node in context is showed up here, and then you can choose which knob you want to add, if you want to add a knob, or you can also start searching for the right, and press enter to trigger the completion and do the verification that it's a valid knob. Enter custom name you want to have, label, tooltip, and then add the knob. So it's already in here, and it's also placed on top of the list in here. So I can just go on and some double sliders, set the range like 10 to 50. You can also choose this one here, PA for example. You can add flags if you want to, and again some tips. You can also say that, hey, bring some password stuff and passphrase. And if I just try to enter without any name, get a sanity check for the, hey, that's not a valid name, so please enter a valid one. So then do this one, and again we're back here. Some file knob, so whatever knob you like, and you can just go on and go on for this one, and it just, this is the actual name. If I want to place a label this one as well, so the label gets shown in the brackets and the actual name outside. So this one behaves like the internal one, adding just integers on the back of the name. So let's just do like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have this like this. And now I want to edit, let's say, slider 2. So it's just the range is from 0 to 1, so I can tell them, hey, let's start from -20 to 50. Update the knob, and the range is updated. Same for the label, actually for every knob, so I can do it all in one go, like 100 and tooltip, update them. And then one thing is that this one is a short but non-modal dialog, so we can just still working on clicking here and adding this one as well. So now we can start to reorder these knobs. Let's say I want to have this keyer knob moving down, 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 and then I would say apply the order. Sometimes it doesn't really refresh, so there's a button to refresh them. So, or you can say, let's place all the sliders together. Sometimes it's not that easy. And apply the order, and then you have this one. Or you say, hey, I want to have the live ordering, which is kind of neat feature, and then you can just place whatever you want to live and direct. And then you can still disable if you don't like to. There is options for adding divider knob, so even if you selected one inside this list, you're just adding them below. And again, refresh. So this is kind of an odd behavior inside Nuke. I'm still working on it to fix it. Or if you don't select anything, you have place them at the very end, like here. And then again, you can move them around, apply the order, or just say, hey, you know, well, I just want to go with live ordering, and then all these issues shouldn't appear. So this kind of stuff. And the divider lines get shown as a orange one. If you want to pick knobs, it's also doable. And I have a very simple group right now, just a couple of nodes inside. So I want to pick them. I have the group on top of everything, all the labels, all the knobs, and knobs inside listed below, listed on every tab. So this is the blur tab, every knob on the blur tab, and then on the node tab, the following ones. So if I say I want the size of the blur and the black point or white point of the grade, it's in here, and it's shown as light blue color, so we can visually see a difference between what is picked, what is an added one, and what is just a divider line. And so this one is linked to it as well. So if I close this one, open up the grade, and say this one, so this one is linked. Again, starting this one by a shortcut. Let's say I have in a certain context, so I can't go inside, so I just leave on top of the root level, and then the context is the proper one. getting listed all up here, and I could start reordering again. If I want to edit a knob, I showed it already, I can just double click it, and then you have the option to do a new tooltip in this case, and then just hit update, and again it's get updated as well. But then the label is empty, so it's also an option to clear out the label, which is kind of a neat feature I figure out, is to go, let's say, to pick this one on the group and check the knob change callback. So if I pick this one, I can visually see the knob change callback and also edit if I want to. So let's say Nuke this slider value. I can see the callback we're actually writing to and don't have to do it by a script. And if I want to lose it, I just delete it, and that's it.